This light kit includes one 6-inch LED light, one mounting base, one 48-inch USB-C cord, two command medium refill strips, and two screws. Clean the surface with a cloth and rubbing alcohol. For command strip mount, remove the red liner. Press strip onto back of mounting base. Remove black liner. Press mounting base to wall for 30 seconds. For screw mount, drive screws through the two holes in the mounting base to secure to the wall. Attach the light to the magnetic ball. Tap power button to turn light on. The magnetic ball rotates 360 degrees so you can shine the light where you need it most. Detach it from the wall for on-the-go illumination. Slide switch to 15 or 30 for the light to automatically turn off after 15 or 30 minutes. To recharge, use the included 48-inch USB-C cord and only a 5-volt, 1-amp USB charger, not included. Securely hold base against surface and pull firmly to remove light from base. Stretch each strip slowly against the surface at least 12 inches to release. Never pull the strip away from the surface. Always pull along the surface.